Welcome, little explorers. Party popper today. We're going on a super fun virtual zoo tour. We'll meet amazing animals, learn cool facts, and even hear what they sound like. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Roar. Pause for kids to respond. Can you wiggle your arm like an elephant's trunk? Try it. Pause for kids to mimic. Monkeys love bananas. If you were a monkey, what's your favorite fruit? Tell me in the comments. Let's walk like a penguin. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Pause for kids to join in. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe? Up, up, up. Pause for kids to play along. That was so much fun. We met lions, elephants, monkeys, penguins, and giraffes. Which animal was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Before we go, let's sing our zoo goodbye song. Play a short, catchy outro.